I understood the concept, what you have explained regarding digital platform. Then one more question came into my mind. The thing is, already there is enough content in the YouTube itself regarding phonics. Why do you think parents would enroll for this digital platform?
That's right question, Sandhya. Being an young mother, you would have been started showing rhymes and sounds.
Usually.
Yes, that's correct actually. So in YouTube, you have plenty and plenty of songs,
Yeah.
plenty and lots of rules.
Okay.
So the teacher or the person who is going to teach the rule, they will come and tell the rule for 30 seconds or 1 minute and
Just
vanishes off.
Okay.
How many rules do you remember now?
Hardly one or two. Hardly one or two.
Two. Okay.
Yeah.
YouTube is a platform, it's a social media.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a platform for information.
Okay.
You can grab their attention there. You can't teach anything there practically. And to this age group, maybe adults can learn. Yes,
Okay.
definitely. For this age group, singing the sounds
Okay.
is entirely different from trying to blend and read a word,
Okay.
trying to hear the word and write the word.
Okay.
It takes months together for us to develop that skill. Okay, so that's the reason I teach one sound for 40 minutes. It could be taught in 1 minute.
Yeah.
But why I'm
I
prolonging it to 40 minutes is repeatedly telling it, making your ears to sensitive to the sound so that they can identify the sound and they can write and they can read. It's a skill, it can't be taught like this
Yeah.
in a minute. And see the distractions in YouTube.
Yes.
Yes. If the reel doesn't grab your attention for more than 3 seconds, you are not going to watch that. You will just
scroll.
Yes.
Yes, that happens.
So that's the reality. So in
Yeah.
that case, and Sandhya, you just tell me. Even if I have experienced it,
Okay.
I would do this, and do this. When I notice the time,
It would be more than an hour.
Yes.
that happens.
Yes. But what fruitful did I watch?
Nothing.
Even I couldn't make out what did I see. So in this case, learning is not a platform, and I see this as a danger for the kids.
Yeah, that's true.
How it is dangerous? Attention span is less with the kids, and when what I'm doing is I'm trying to increase their attention span by doing different kinds of activities and teaching the same.
Okay.
So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to bring focus, concentration through games,
Okay.
and I'm trying to increase the attention span. Here in the social media, attention span is getting reduced. It's a danger to the mankind. Why? Because to learn anything, any skill, maybe drawing, singing or anything, if you are not focused, how will you achieve that?
Correct. That's true.
If there is no concentration, but just to hit a ball, how much of attention to what speed the ball comes, how should I hit?
Yeah.
Okay, just to play a game or to learn any skill, attention, focus and I would also call it discipline also, in the sense devoted, rather discipline, devoted to that learning. If you are not doing all these things, you don't learn.
Yeah.
This is not practical in YouTube. YouTube is for entertainment,
That's
not
true.
for learning. That's the reason I'm taking so much effort to present this phonetics in digital platform.
See, we being adult itself, we will not have a patience of a minute to watch complete reel or complete video.
Yes.
Then we can imagine about kids. So it's better not to show them in reels.
You can watch for entertainment reasons,
But
not
not
as
for
a
learning.
learning.
I get it.
Yes.
Okay.